Hi everyone who is watching this channel. Today I'm going to talk about annuity, but present value of annuity, and why it's so important to use this present value of annuity. The present value of annuity can be used for mortgages as well as for finding the value you have to invest every month, every year to get the end value. For example, you have to receive $100,000 after 12 years. For this purpose, you can find the value you have to invest monthly or annually to receive this sum of money at the end. But in this example, we are going to talk about mortgage because it's very important what I found. But if you have any problems with another topic, you can also subscribe. You can also post a comment, and we will find a way and solution for your problem. But let's talk about mortgage. So, for example, you go to the bank and you say, I'm going to buy a house which costs you $200,000. The bank says, okay, that is good money, so we offer you 4% annually. Now over years you think, okay, I have to work, I have to save some money, so it's better if I take the loan for 20 years. How can you find this value? How much money you have to pay monthly in order to repay your mortgage? So the first, what you have to do, you have to divide 4 by 100, and then you have also to divide this by 12 because you're going to pay monthly, you're not going to pay annually, so you have to divide by 12 because there are 12 periods or 12 months in 1 year. Also, you have to multiply this number by 12 in order to find how many months you have to pay. So you have to pay 240 months for your mortgage. And now you have just to use this formula in order to find the way you can find the monthly payment. So the first step you have to do, you have just to find the numbers of the value in the brackets. So the first step is 1. You have to sum up 1 with this number. You get this number, and then you have just to put it in the power of minus 240. If you don't know how to put it, you have to just divide 1 by this number in the power 240, and then you get this number, and now you have to subtract 1 from this number. So you get this number, and then you have to divide this number by your rate, and now you have to divide mortgage by this number. So you have to pay 1,211 monthly to pay your mortgage. Let's say you are going to pay 20 years or 240 months your mortgage. How much money you need to pay, how much money you need to overpay, you can see. So your mortgage is $200,000, but you need to pay $1,211 per month. So you have to multiply 1,211 by 240, and now we have to subtract this number from your mortgage. So in total you are going to pay $90,870 more than your mortgage, what is pretty much. So before you go to the bank and you want to get the mortgage, you have to understand that should I do that, or I can maybe save some money and buy a house. Especially it can be a big problem, as well as in the crisis of 2008. That was the biggest problem because the price for houses declined and it was not anymore profitable to repay your mortgages. At the same time, there was a problem with the interest rate. It was raised. So people found that it's better to burn the house or something to do to get the insurance and pay some house mortgage, or just not to pay. That was a crisis. So before you go to the bank and you need a mortgage, you have to understand that you need to pay a lot of money more, and same time you have a risk that the houses are going to be more expensive, or if they are going to be more expensive, it will be good for you, but if they are going to be less expensive, cheaper, you will have problems. As well as if you have floating interest rate, it will be also a problem, because if the interest rate is going to be higher, you need to pay more. So you need to recalculate your mortgage, and then you need to pay more monthly, what's going to be even higher. So this number is going to be higher. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel because you can see even more in the future. And if you have any problems or ideas, what you want to discuss with me, you can just post, you can just write to me, and we'll find you a solution. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.